Ash, I'm making this just for you. Alright, so this is Stream Elements. This is the dashboard. It shows you all your new followers. It shows the graph of, how many people do what. You can switch between your YouTube and your Twitch account. Honestly, most of my stuff is on my YouTube, like my panels and stuff. So yeah, I'll go back to Twitch real quick. So for Twitch, you can download this program, OBS.live, by Stream Elements. So if you open it, it's exactly the same thing as OBS Live, except you have this tab right here where you can literally open up and check all of your you can check all of your information. Obviously you have to connect with Twitch. I don't know why mine's not. But yeah, so that's that program. And then it has a bunch of themes that you can check out. Right? So like the one I use is, where is it? I used the backgrounds from Purple Void and used the lettering from Green Goblin. It's actually pretty easy to play with. We'll pick this one. So go to preview. This is what they look like. Right? That's actually not a super basic one. I will do this one. So click on create. Create my overlay. See theme in my overlays. I can delete this, I think. And this is a merch alert. This right here is a sub or follower train that is made by Alpha Gaming. It's actually really cool. You can customize it and shit. But yeah, let's go. We're going to the starting soon. We'll edit that real quick. Like anything here. Starting soon, it says. We wanted to say something different. We just find it over here, which I think is this one, and then click on settings. Oh no, that's the background. Edit social names here. So let's say you want to change your Twitter name. Click on @Twitter, go to settings, and right here you can change Cringe Ninja G. And as you see, it'll change it down here, and you can move this whole thing around. Like, you can move anything you want. It doesn't have to be exactly how they made it, which is really cool. So like, let's say you want your merch alert down in this thing, bam, you can have that. You want these up here, right? You want it here. You want them up here like this. You can very easily move them up so that they're right there. Yeah, you can just play with it like that. I gotta poop. Alright, this is what I really wanted to get to. The merch. SE merch. So as you can tell, all my stuff's unpublished because my merch store is actually opened under Cringe Ninja Gaming YouTube channel, which I will be closing this store soon, actually, because I'm gonna launch this one, maybe. Actually, I probably won't launch this one either. But yeah, you can set up a merch store right here. All you gotta do is come in, and it'll immediately start setting it up once you click on the SE merch. And then I also use Teespring for my merch store. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So you just click on sell anything or sell everywhere. Maybe. Oh, start designing, I'm sorry. So you click on start designing, and then there's all kinds of stuff that you can pick from. So we'll do the unisex joggers, all over print. I don't think we can start these items are not available in the launcher yet, but you can start selling them now. Following the instructions on the form on the right, submit your product request. Alright, so I can't make those yet. We'll click on an unlocked one. Leggings. So you just add image. We'll do the Cringe Ninja Gaming. Thought right there. Continue. Wait, I wanted to see the leggings. Go back to edit. And bam, those are your leggings. So yeah. Alright, well, I'm going to stop this here. I have to poop. That was just for you, Ash.